friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in my last video I have shown you how to create and include the components in ReactJS latest version. I'm working fine. So guys, thank you for liking my this series learning React from scratch. So guys, now this is part 4 and in this we will do the React routing. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please post the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest React updates. So guys, very first we will install React router DOM for React routing. So here is the command npm install React router DOM. Then 6. Press enter. So guys, now we are installing the React router. So guys, it is installing. So guys, see, it's working fine. Now I will do npm start command. npm start, sorry, npm start. npm start. Guys, loading. So guys, now I will add the React routing modules into my app.js file, and then we will do linking as well. So it's very interesting to see. So guys, now here's my app.js file. And now I will import few modules from React router DOM like browser, browser, router, and routes, out, outs, and out. So guys, now I've included these modules. Now here comes to the done section. Very first I will call the browser router. Done. And now I will copy all this and paste inside browser routing. And then we will do the routing inside container. Like first I will call routes and inside it I will call the route. Guys, see, it's very easy, nothing complex. Path like false and element component name like home, home component and bracket closed. So guys, see, save it. I think there is some. Oh, guys, I missed the bracket here. So save it. See, guys, the routing is working fine. It is showing the two times because I'm calling here as well. Now I will remove this, and now the routing is calling fine. Guys, see, it's working fine. And now I will call the linking as well. So guys, it is also very easy. I just need to import link, link from React router DOM, and it's very easy. I just need to remove this and just add as is equal to curly brackets link to our path. Save it. Now I will see it's looking of. See guys, if I will do like here this home, yes, see guys, it's working fine. Now I'll create one more component called about us, like about.js. Wait, now I will copy this and paste here. Just need to change the name about and about. Save and just copy this and paste here. We write about and save it. Going to app.js file, import about, and I will call the same here, guys. About and about. Save it. So guys, see, we will check. See guys, the routing is working fine, like charm. So guys, have you seen? And now you can see the React JS routing is working fine with React Router DOM. The linking as well is my two components for linking and showing inside the routes. Browser routing. You guys see everything is working fine. So friends, please subscribe my channel and support me if you will like this. And guys, I will come with more demos as well. So guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And guys, after it, we will do React hook as well. And then in the end, we will make the complete React.js project like admin dashboard and React e-commerce site as well. So guys, in the end, I must say please subscribe my channel and support me because I'm working very hard on it. And also please share your views on it. Guys, see, it works brilliant. And then you can make more components and edit like this. Very simple. So in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.